Hi, this is Kyle. I'm going to talk about the Recon. What would you call it? The stock on it, the back stock. I don't like it like that much because I do like the Raiders one better because it is adjustable. This one's not. You can't adjust it or anything. It's like that. So yeah, it comes with that, and it has the ends so you can add this onto it, and it has a nice little aimer if you like. And it comes. I'm not entirely sure these come with it. One of these come with it. This is the laser. You can turn it to big to small. Go small to big, small, big. And then the aimer, you can adjust it by twisting it. And then you can fold it up, and then that can fit right on top of here. Right there. I'm going to be doing some test fires with it. I'm going to test some fires with like this on and without it on, so yeah. Okay, I'm going to be firing it at that wall there. The first 3 bullets are going to be without the barrel, and then the 3 last ones are going to be with the barrel. So without the barrel, test 1. Yep. This gun does jam sometimes. Gotta watch out for that. Without the stock barrel, sorry. And I am aiming kind of up with it. Not entirely. This is just me holding it straight. Oh, sorry, I think that's 3. This is with the barrel on. I find it doesn't shoot as far. Okay, yeah. That's it. It is easy to cock back and forward. This, I find, takes some of the accuracy away. I find so. Yeah. I find it takes some of the accuracy away. The laser doesn't help like that much unless you're really shooting downwards, but it will help just a little bit. If you don't like this sight, you can just add this onto that, or this. So yeah, next I'm going to be doing this one. The long shot. I think there's 2 versions of the long shot. This is like the first one, I think. So yeah, bye.